Welcome back. We had some pretty good success yesterday getting these panels started. We got the first 3 panels on this run, and we think we can get 3 or 4 today. That'd be a nice boost. We're gonna go ahead, bring the excavator over here and get the first panel up here and in place.
Much room?
Yeah, it's rusty. Okay. Okay, come up. There you go. Keep
Come
going.
off?
Keep going. Nothing's happening. Keep going. It's just starting to move.
Come off.
You're not on. Nothing happened. There you go. There you go. Move that way. 2 inches. You're off. Right there, babe.
That it?
Yeah. Leave it on the bucket just the way it is.
What do you want me to do?
Leave it on the bucket just the way it is. Come up.
Is there slack to take it off?
Just barely a bit of slack.
We have 4 panels up here now, and it makes a tremendous difference in the way it feels in here. You start to get an understanding of what it's going to feel like when this is actually a room. I think that I can get the excavator close enough to the wall over here that I can put that next panel up. I guess we're going to find out. It's going to be a little sketchy, no getting around it. Is that on?
Yep.
Well, I hope this works.
Me too. If it works, it was my idea.
Yes, it was your idea.
If it works.
It is working. It's gonna work.
You think?
Yeah.
It's gotta come over. Yay! Don't do it anymore. Okay, right there.
Right there.
Okay, that was my idea.
Hold on.
Watch your fingers, because if it goes all of a sudden.
I know.
There it goes. Yay!
Wow. That's crazy.
It looks tight.
Oh my God.
Okay.
All right. Well, so far this weekend, we've done pretty well. We've gotten 5 panels up. We've got a little bit of time left, and we just did all the prep work for another one of the panels. Now, that prep work involves putting a 2x12 spline in the end of it. This is going to be the bottom of the roof panel. We went ahead and cut that, foamed it, put it in and nailed it. We've got everything set up. We've been up on top, done a lot of prep work. I've got ratchet straps set up so that I can support it and hold it in place and then get it screwed in where it needs to go. It's 10 minutes to 4 right now. I don't think we're gonna have a chance to do 2 panels, but I think we can get this one up here.
I think we have 2. I think we have 2.
Pull it tight. Pull it. Let's move it. Well, that one was a bit of a pain, but we got it in. That gives us 6 for this weekend. I can't complain too much about that. We learned a whole lot about what we're going to need to do. And if you look, now granted we got a lot to get over here. If you look though, we are making some progress on getting this roof up. Oh, heck of a view. If you like what you saw, go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Hit the like button so it kicks us up in the algorithm, and maybe some other people will be able to take a look at it too. Share it if you know anybody who might like it. I really appreciate y'all watching. Come on back and check us out again at Breakheart Orchard. We'll be here.
Watch where it's going. Look at the line. Just a little. Stop. That was too much. Where's the line? Look at the line. Did you come past the line?
I can't see the line.
Okay. Just get down. Get down. Don't stand up like that.